Drones. They've become a symbol of innovation, progress, and controversy. From delivering packages to conducting military operations, drones have seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. But what's the real story behind their invention? How did we go from mere dreams of flight to a world where unmanned aerial vehicles dominate the skies? Today, we'll uncover the truth behind the invention of drones. To understand drones, we first need to go back to the roots of human flight. The dream of conquering the skies began centuries ago. Leonardo da Vinci's sketches of flying machines, the Montgolfier brothers' hot air balloon, and the Wright brothers' first successful flight were all stepping stones in humanity's quest to take to the skies. But while these pioneers focused on piloted flight, others were already dreaming of something different, machines that could fly without a human on board. Though the Kettering bug never saw combat, it laid the groundwork for future developments. It was proof that unmanned flight was possible, even if the technology wasn't quite there yet. One notable example was the Ryan Firebee, a jet-powered drone used by the US for reconnaissance missions. It was during this time that drones evolved from experimental tools to reliable instruments of war. In the 1990s, the Predator drone emerged as a game-changer. Equipped with advanced cameras and capable of long-range operations, the Predator wasn't just a surveillance tool, it could also carry out targeted strikes. Today, drones are everywhere. From delivering medical supplies to remote areas to capturing breathtaking aerial footage, they've revolutionized industries. Should we celebrate drones as marvels of technology or question their impact on society? The truth lies somewhere in between. The invention of drones is a story of human ingenuity, ambition, and innovation. From their humble beginnings to their current role in shaping our world, drones are a testament to what we can achieve. But as we look to the future, it's crucial to consider how we use this technology responsibly. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the skies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our world.